If you clicked on this video, it's because probably you are an XRP maximalist. You're expecting to retire with XRP. You know that everybody's talking about Bitcoin, but right second place, it is XRP Ripple. It is one of the greatest generational wealth opportunities, XRP. But why? Well, by the end of this video, I want to explain you guys what I'm seeing, why I just bought today, why I just bought yesterday, why I've been buying basically since after Donald J. Trump won the presidency, the nomination, right, in 2024, and why next year might be the best year for the market, for crypto, for everyone, and why right now, even at $2.40 plus XRP, don't matter. Listen, doesn't matter if the price of XRP drops by the end you watch this video to $1.90 once again. Guess what's probably gonna happen? Some whale somewhere is gonna buy the dip and push the price up, because we know what's coming is huge. We know $3, $4, $5 per XRP is minimum. If you guys just do a quick search, XRP price prediction, XRP to $100 in 2025, XRP to $48, XRP to $5, XRP 300%. I mean, it's insane. Why are people talking about it? Well, I think because we're all seeing what it's doing. The company, Brad Garlinghouse, that Johnny Deaton, the legend, he says he probably get the CEO of the year in crypto. So it excites me, guys. It's not surprising to see everybody on YouTube talking about this token. I come from other different communities, right? Chronos, Shiba Inu, Pepe, and more, Jasmine. But XRP and Ripple, it embodies freedom as far as legislature, law, and government, because it's gonna allow not only Ripple, but so many more to continue building here in the United States. If you're watching us from somewhere else, when I travel to Singapore, nobody really cares what the SEC is speaking when it comes to, any legal procedures, because they're caring about what that region of the world is doing for crypto. So now in 2025, when I have a new administration more bullish, check this out. New SEC head, new CFTC head, new for the first time crypto czar role for the administration. When I have maybe Jerome Powell still heading the Federal Reserve, maybe we'll see if he changed, right? I mean, we just don't know. There's going to be a lot of different people playing the role to further advance AI innovation, technology, and blockchain, including Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy, leading the Doge Department of Government Efficiency. And that's going to just really change the whole swamp. And I'm just bullish, because that's one of the reasons why Brad Garlinghouse with Ripple, they've been investing millions of dollars into the super PACs. Fair Shake, I believe that's the name. $25 million, $50 million. They've been donating so much. And they spent $150 million trying to survive the SEC attack for the last couple of years. So imagine if instead spending money to defend themselves, they put it into pro-crypto candidates, no matter if they're Democrat, Republican, as far as advancing crypto. You see, I just listed to you in the first 3 minutes bullish reasons why thinking about XRP not passing $3 is absurd. It's ridiculous. And that is why I've thought about it. And I'm taking this video very seriously, and I'm sending you an urgent message. I reached my 6-digit goal with XRP. You know it, 100,000. And I'm thinking very seriously to double that, because I not only want financial freedom, but I don't want to worry that I need to buy more XRP once it's $5. Because look, if people are buying Bitcoin at $90,000 to $100,000, you can no longer buy one Bitcoin very easily for a lot of people. But you can still say, instead of buying a McDonald's breakfast for $1.99, $2.99, whatever, you buy one XRP coin. I think that's fair. But how about if it gets as expensive as a Chick-fil-A combo, as expensive as, your clothes, whatever? Then that's a different conversation. I'm not saying XRP is going to get to Bitcoin price. It just cannot happen, market cap, right? And supply. But it might reach passing the 2-digit, passing $10. It has everything. So, guys, if you're enjoying this conversation, are you a maximalist yet? Don't forget to smash the like button, everybody, and consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. Oscar Ramos Live. Because right now I'm in vacation mode, as some of you know. It allows me to just think. And when it comes to crypto, you need a strategy, an exit strategy, an in strategy. You need to know what in the world you're going to be doing with crypto, because people sell, people buy, people trade, and they make a lot of money doing so. You guys are one of those great friends. First link down below in the description, guys, you're going to find my link with BTCC, a crypto exchange, right, for futures and a spot that it's been in business for the last 13 years. So I want you to click and you'll see my picture and also BTCC, and you'll sign up there right there if you don't have an account. It'll take a few seconds, guys, and it allows you guys to trade up to 500x positions with XRP. And I like it. I've been doing it. I've been buying spot. You have a lot of different opportunities, guys. So if you don't have an account, if you don't have a place, and if you want to start, it's a great place for you to do so. You have some discount deposits and also up to 10,000 welcome bonus. So sign up and I'll see you there. Guys, people on X are saying XRP is going to retire a lot of people. And Wall Street experts are saying, agrees that XRP is the greatest opportunity for generational wealth. If you take a look at the price compared to the XRP price, the XRP market cap compared to the Ethereum market cap, you're gonna get an $8 XRP. It used to be $6. It used to be $6. Now it's $8. Why? Well, because Ethereum has risen in price. Because Ethereum has gone from 300 to right now at 460. Is $3,800. Ethereum was like $3,100 or even less than $3,000 when XRP was very close to that $2. Ethereum has elevated the bar right now. So can XRP reach Ethereum market cap? The answer is absolutely yes. I still believe Ethereum is going to be very powerful, but XRP was the second largest digital asset before all this war against crypto from the SEC. We're now number 4. I mean, Tether, we just don't count it, so we're number 3. So it's bullish to know that before Trump gets into office, before RLUSD is listed, because as you know, if you're watching this past December 10th, you know that RLUSD is now approved by the New York Department of Financial Services. It's going to be listed, you know where? Coinbase, here in the US, Robinhood maybe. I mean, Robinhood doesn't really have many stable coins, so it might not be listed there, but it's going to be used. It's a utility token for the network, for Ripple, and that's going to be really nice. So it has a purpose, has XRP, and it's all going to be passing billions and even trillions of dollars in gains, right? And in all of the things that the clients need to be using it for. So that's really, really nice. Not only that, guys, I'm going to say something that we all know, but it's not live yet. It's not tradable yet, and it hasn't been approved yet, and that is the ETFs. Bitwise, Canary Capital, Grayscale, and many more. I think one more that I'm forgetting right now, BlackRock, and oftentimes other ones. So none of them are live. We have the basket of all different cryptos from Grayscale. It's not live yet. The only live ones are here in the US, of course, is Ethereum and Bitcoin. That means that when they become live, you know what happened to Bitcoin in a nice rally for ETFs. When the ETFs were live and launched, the price of Bitcoin actually was stubborn to move. It kind of like sell off a little bit. Everybody was saying, well, now that you got exposure to Wall Street, they can manipulate you when it comes to XRP. But in reality, when it was the time for Bitcoin to pump, it did from $69 to $104,000. Like it was nothing. So for XRP, we're gonna have something like that from $2 to $3, even $4. Guys, it might sound crazy, it might sound like, come on, Oscar, what are you even talking about? You're just a pump and dumper, or you're just a, chiller. I agree, guys, that we're extremely early, and ETFs is just gonna be the very beginning of what many different good projects are gonna receive. HBAR is gonna get an ETF. Solana is gonna get an ETF. XRP is gonna get an ETF. That is 3 in the top 20 cryptos. Let me take a look at HBAR. 18, so we good. Ethereum and Bitcoin. So out of 20, we got 5 that I've heard that they want to get an ETF, right? That there are companies interested to get an ETF. And out of all the 5 that I just mentioned, give me the top 3: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. That's it. Not Solana. So imagine if somebody's like, okay, give me something that's more attractive and earlier so I can make more money than Bitcoin. Well, here's Ethereum. Give me something more attractive and earlier than Ethereum so I can make more money. Here's XRP. There's going to be a lot of demand, especially because XRP has won the Ripple case. It's going to be dismissed. It's going to send shockwaves to everybody. And that will translate into a majestic demand. And that's it. If you're still watching and you are not an XRP maximalist, then I think that should have convinced you already, guys. Let me know in the comments down below. Like and subscribe. As always, guys, it really helps a lot. Take a look at the links down below. Join BTCC. Join my private community on Discord. I'm making this video because this is what I understand. Why I am just buying, putting my, just kind of getting laser focused as far as what my goal is. We got first major goal, even before $1, which I loved. I wish we had that price again under $1, but I don't think so. I don't really think so. I mentioned in one of my lives that there's a chance that the price of XRP could have bottomed out. That was the bottom, 190. And if you take a look at the price right here, it's 2.30 or so. It's been at 2.30, 2.40, 2.20. If it just stays consolidated at 2 plus, we made it. Absolutely made it, guys. So take a look at what people are talking about right now next, and everyone is really bullish. And I like it, right? Everyone is bullish, trying to understand what the possibilities are. And I want to show you something. The man, Brad Garlinghouse. Guess what people are talking about because of the 60-minute interview? They're talking about that it wasn't really for crypto people, that it was more for, the suits and Wall Street and the media, right? The elites. They just wanted to display a negative connotation view of Ripple and crypto companies donating to politicians. It feels difficult when you turn the page on them, right? Like they can do it. Elites can always do it. But they don't allow us to do it so we can have pro-crypto people run the world. It happens. And people are saying, why don't you go to Joe Rogan? When was the last time that Joe Rogan had somebody from crypto? Don't remember if Charles Hoskinson ever stopped by. I'm not sure. I have to double check. But I wouldn't be surprised, right? I know that Vivek has been there. Elon has been there. So, people already have talked about Bitcoin, I'm sure. But Brad Garlinghouse, that's going to be a great show. And I'm sure he, at some point, could be invited. So, guys, we can go on. But I don't care what the price of XRP is currently. And I don't know what the price is going to be at the end of the year. And I don't know what the price is going to be at the end of 2025. But one thing I remember saying is, even before Trump won, even before November 5th, I remember saying, guys, I'm buying because I believe we can get to $1. I remember saying that I was bullish we can get to $1 because XRP had a long track record of not achieving that $1. People weren't just bullish enough. Everything changed, exploded majestically, and now saying XRP $1 is an insult. So when you talk about major levels ahead, just think about what's about to happen in about, today is what, the 11th? He takes the oath of office on the 20th. So we have a little bit over 1 month and we're having this conversation. I hope that whoever's listening right now to this long video gets it. You start early, buy what you can afford losing. I'm not your financial advisor, but I'm just telling you guys what I'm doing. And so when January the 20th comes, and the last day of January, right? Because you have to give some days. We might have some sell-offs, we might have some dumps, we might have some consolidation and bear traps, bull traps. We're gonna have everything on the day of the election, on the day that he takes office, right? I think you and I know that. Buy the rumor, sell the news events. But just let that pass by. And at the end of January, it might be really, really bullish with all the new changes and executive orders. And there you have it. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope this helped somebody. And if you liked it, share with everybody. And I'll see you at XRP, $5. That should be a pretty good checkpoint. So we have another of these conversations and I'll tell you the later. Peace.